everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple sanding block. And what you're going to need is 2 pieces of wood. These happen to be 2 inches by 4 inches. You can make it any size you want. And a couple of these. I'm not sure what they're called, but they have wood screws, wood threads on the one side and machine screws on the other side. Okay, and then we have a simple wing nut and a little washer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these, doesn't matter really which one, and we're going to measure halfway down. So you see we got 4 inches, so we're going to measure 2 inches. Okay, then you're going to draw yourself a line. Okay, so now you got that split in half. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to connect the 2 corners. Draw a line there. Same thing on this side. Now you got dead center there. We'll do it again on this side. Okay, so I'm going to take you over to the drill press and we're going to drill some holes. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put these together and we're going to clamp them. Okay, and we're going to drill a hole that's smaller than the diameter down here so that this will screw in, and then we'll make a little bit of a bigger hole on top, and I'll show you that. So we have our 2 pieces clamped together. We have our depth stop to go down just as far as that. Okay, you just don't want to come out the bottom. So now we're going to drill our holes. So we have our 2 holes drilled, and that's going to get screwed into there. Alright, let me take this apart. What we're going to do now is we're going to put a bigger size drill bit in so that this will fit through nice and loose on the top. So let me get that done. Okay, so we got the next size drill bit. We're just going to, the top piece that went all the way through, we're just going to drill it to a bigger size. Okay, we bring it back over to the table and we'll assemble it. Okay, so we have our 1 piece with the hole drilled right through it, and then one with a little starter hole. Oh, by the way, this is maple. Use a hardwood if you could. It'll last. It'll work better. I mean, you can use pine if that's all you have. But all right, so we're gonna take. Hopefully, this will stop when it gets to the wood threads. Yes. And just screw this in. You only need to go as far as that right there. Okay, we're going to get that in a little tighter. Okay, so we'll do that on the other side, and I'll be back. Alright, so we have the 2 blocks connected with the screws. Okay, all you needed to open is just a slight bit just to fit the sandpaper in. I just put a quick little chamfer on top. You can make this as fancy as you want, but slip in the paper, pinch it down, come in the other side, Get it nice and firmed up. Tighten down your wing nuts, and there you have it. Now you could sand a very, very flat surface. If you ever tried using sandpaper with your hands, you'll notice if you go, after a while you actually leave your fingerprint in little grooves. So always using a block ensures that you're going to get a really nice edge finish. So you go, very simple sanding block. You know, it cost you a couple bucks if you had to go buy all the materials. And again, you can make it any size you want. You know, you can make them 12 inches long, 6 inches long, 4 inches wide. Depends on the project. So there you have it. Very simple DIY sanding block. As always, everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your comments. I hope you all having a wonderful day. And we'll see you on the next one.